What's up, guys? Steve here for Card Breaking Now, getting ready for McDavid Mania Raz. I got a feeling about this one, so let's go. We're live. Good luck. Top name after 4. You know the rules by now. Okay, here's our list. Go Mania. Here's our clock, 11:55, and there's your list. Michael down to Brendan. Top name after 4. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 11:55. 11:55. Just turned 11:56. Last upon random. Good luck. Top name, Mr. Wayne. No wonder he wanted us to do it so bad. He knew he was going to win. Had a feeling. Wayne, congrats. Spot 9. Take it home the Mania box tonight. 11:56 and 11:56. Congrats, Wayne. Spot 9. Only one takes it home, and you are the winner. We'll see you shortly for your box. Good luck, man.